Ever pondered about the arduous toil and sweat that goes into traditional farming methods? The constant bending, the back-breaking labor, and the relentless sun overhead? Enter the 18-horsepower walking tractor, a game-changer in the farming industry. This compact but mighty machine brings a powerhouse of benefits to the field. Firstly, it offers versatility like no other. With the ability to accommodate a wide variety of farming implements, from plows to harrows, seeders to spreaders, this tractor proves itself as an all-in-one farming solution. Secondly, it boasts of exceptional maneuverability. Its small size and lightweight make it easy to navigate through tight spaces and uneven terrain. This feature is particularly handy when working in small farms or terrace fields, where larger conventional tractors may struggle. Next, the 18-horsepower walking tractor is fuel efficient. It consumes less fuel compared to its larger counterparts, making it a cost-effective choice for farmers. Not to mention, this also makes it an environmentally friendlier option. Furthermore, it's easy to operate. No need for intricate driving skills or complex operating procedures. A brief rundown of its features and you're good to go. This makes it an excellent choice for both seasoned farmers and beginners. Lastly, it offers a significant reduction in labor intensity. Its power-driven operation eliminates the need for manual labor, saving farmers from the physical strain associated with traditional farming methods. In essence, the 18-horsepower walking tractor is a versatile, maneuverable, fuel-efficient, user-friendly, and labor-saving device. It's a farming companion that brings a wave of efficiency and convenience. So, if you've been wrestling with traditional farming methods, consider the 18-horsepower walking tractor. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in farming, ready to take on the challenges of the field with you. In the world of agriculture, where every drop of sweat counts, this tractor is a tool that empowers farmers, providing them with the opportunity to work smarter, not harder. It's about time we embrace the change and revolutionize the way we farm. After all, farming is not just a profession, it's a way of life, and the 18-horsepower walking tractor is here to make that life a little bit easier.